Hello everyone, and welcome to Tech Upskill channel.
In today's video, I'll show you how to add ChatGPT as your default search engine in Google Chrome, or alternatively, how to set it up without changing your current default search engine. And now let's get started. To add ChatGPT as your default search engine in Google Chrome, follow these steps, and you'll be able to access ChatGPT search anytime you want. Start by opening Chrome and clicking on the three-dot menu. Navigate to Settings, and then click on Search Engine from the left-hand menu. Next, go to Manage Search Engines and Site Search. Then select the Add option next to Site Search. In the dialog box that appears, fill in the necessary details, which I've listed in the video description. After adding it, click on the three dots next to ChatGPT and select Make Default. Now, let's try searching for something. As you can see, when I search, it directly opens ChatGPT and performs the search for me. Now, let's set up ChatGPT as a search option without making it the default search engine. I'll revert Google to be the default search engine for now. When you want to use ChatGPT to search, simply type @ChatGPT in the search bar, followed by your search term. This will trigger a search through ChatGPT, opening the results directly from the ChatGPT platform. I hope you found the video helpful. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, like, and share buttons. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.